Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the A to Z, 1 to 10 and the shapes. So let's get started. Red color, green color, blue color, parrot green color, orange color, pink color, violet color, yellow color and brown color. A for ant. B for bag. C for cupboard. D for donkey. E for elephant. F for fan. G for goat. H for hat. I for insect. J for joker. K for king. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snail. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yacht. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Now let's move to 1 to 10. Red color 1. Yellow color 2. Green color 3. Violet color 4. Brown color 5. Pink color 6. Blue color 7. Green color 8. Orange color 9. Red color 10. Now let's move to the shapes and fill the color in the shapes. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. And this is heart. Red color circle. I am filling red color in the circle. Red color circle. Now it's time for triangle. Yellow color. Yellow color triangle. It's time for parrot green color. Parrot green color square. Square. Now I am filling violet color in heart. Very good. Red color circle, yellow color triangle, green color square and violet color heart. I have completed from A to Z and 1 to 10. Very good guys. Keep it up. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.